the popular food that causes diabetes, heart disease and stroke. The health dangers of instant ramen noodles are evident to most, but there are still those who are denying the dangers of its consumption. It is after all a staple food, most especially for college kids. The popular ramen noodle has been studied recently, and it has been shown to increase people's risk of metabolic changes linked to stroke and heart disease. Why does ramen noodles cause heart disease? Ramen noodles are known to contain tertiary butyl hydroquinone, or what is commonly known as TBHQ, a byproduct of the petroleum industry and food additive used frequently to preserve cheap processed foods. A gastrointestinal specialist did an experiment, using a time-lapse video inside the stomach to see what would happen after 2 hours of digesting ramen noodles. The results were shocking. Compared to fresh noodles, processed noodles were less broken down than that of homemade ramen noodles, given 1 to 2 hours. This affects nutrient absorption and could allow preservatives to stay for longer periods in the stomach cavity before being transported to the intestines and then subsequently eliminated. What's bad about instant noodles? The main ingredients in instant noodles are palm oil, wheat flour, salt and sugar. That's just in the noodles alone. What about the contents of its artificial flavoring and color? The flavored packets contain monosodium glutamate, powdered salt, sugar and seasonings. You are already familiar with the horrible effects of artificial colors and flavors, therefore the processed wheat and high sodium content are simply the cherry on top of this delicious bowl of food. This contains over 2,700 milligrams of sodium. Instant noodles may be convenient, may satisfy your cravings, but when it comes to your health, they are an absolute no. Most especially when it comes to maintaining a healthy, functioning body and heart. Conclusion. A research conducted in South Korea, which is considered to have the highest per capita number of instant noodle consumers in the world, showed that in 11,000 individuals, those who consumed more instant noodles had a higher risk of metabolic syndrome, stroke and diabetes. So monitor the snacks your family and children eat. Preparation could help people avoid instant noodles altogether. You can opt to try making homemade pasta or any home-prepared snacks. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.